Hi, I'm Dr. Alyssa, a naturopathic doctor, and in today's video we're talking about bee propolis, a natural substance used for immune support, throat health, and antimicrobial protection. So if you're prone to sore throats, frequent colds and infections, or want a natural way to boost your immune system, then this is one worth knowing about. Let's first talk about what it is. Bee propolis is a resin-like substance that bees make from plant compounds. They use this substance to help protect their hives from bacteria, viruses, and fungi, and it does similar things in the human body. It's rich in flavonoids, polyphenols, antioxidants, and antimicrobial properties. Bee propolis works by supporting immune cell activity and antimicrobial properties. It reduces inflammation in the throat and sinuses, helping with oral and respiratory health. It also provides antioxidant support. This is why it's often used at the first sign of illness. It comes in many different forms, like capsule, spray, or tincture. So people often ask which form is best. Capsules are great for daily immune support, whereas sprays are great for a sore throat, first sign of illness, or for travel. Liquids or tinctures are best for fast absorption and flexible dosing. So all of these forms can be great in their own ways, and it just depends on what your preference is. Bee propolis may be helpful for weakened immune system, especially due to travel, general oral health, and sore throats. Now, typical use includes for capsules, 1 to 2 capsules daily. For liquid or tincture, 12 to 24 drops daily. And for a throat spray, 2 to 3 sprays, 2 to 3 times daily. Now, a note on safety. You may want to avoid bee propolis if you are allergic to bees or pollen, or if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. And some milder side effects would be digestive upset. Bee propolis is one of nature's most powerful immune protectants. It's versatile and effective. If you've heard of or tried bee propolis before, please let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.